Hi traders, an extraordinary day, so let's just pick our way through this. This is the DAX on the daily chart. Every little pulls and pullback, so it pulls for a while here, nice bull flag. The bottom of the flag got bought, and then here we are at 11,300. I think we could, we are a little extended up here. We might just pause into Friday and then into next week, continue that move. But just remember, if you're if there is a trend, just keep buying pullbacks. Forget what's in the news, forget what other people are saying. There's no such thing as an extended chart. If there's a trend, trade the trend. Okay, so we are 11,320. A 100-point pullback would be nice. I'm personally not trading it, and let me be quite honest about that. I don't want to trade something on a Friday that's that extended. And you can see here the reason why is this. You get a big move and then you rest. You get a big move and then you rest, and these are about 2-3 days followed by 2-3-4 days resting. It's just the fact that it's a Friday, and I just want to take it easy. Don't want to fill my boots up. The other extraordinary chart is the Euro US. You've been in a massive downtrend. Yeah, we pull back, we drop, we pull back, drop, pull back. This is the thing with trading. Everyone wants the best results as quick as possible, but that's not what trading's about. Trading is about you go through these, you get a nice trend, and then you just consolidate. We've got a massive consolidation period here, followed by a drop. Massive consolidation period here, followed by a drop. Now we're not oversold, so there's plenty of time. If it doesn't pull back to that box, I'm not interested. If it pulls back to that box, it might dip into that box before legging it down to 11. So 1110, 1120 is the major support level, but that looks as if we could, if this trend, if this pattern is repeated, we could end up with good anything from 250 to 500 plus points, and potentially all the way down to parity, potentially over a period of time. Anyway, cut a long story short, I'm looking for a pullback on that one. The third and final good chart is the US dollar yen. Again, nice push up, push back to the 50, then we start forming the box, come back to support, and we start to look as if we're going to break out, only to come down and form the bottom of the box from this hammer-like bar here. Almost touch the top of the box, and then here we are. It's been touching this 50 EMA for a long time. That's the highest close for a good couple of weeks. So, US GDP, if that number's good, then this could pop. If I see a nice dip in the Euro session, I'll buy it. Otherwise, I'll stay out of the way and then do my usual data trade. Okay, and pound yen, it's still a very bullish chart. I think we need a nice pullback to get that going. We're a bit sort of lackluster here, not much commitment of traders at the moment, so I think that needs a pullback. Pound Aussie dollar holding up sideways at best. Pound CAD, that's a big reversal bar up there at the moment. 3 days back, and any pullbacks into that are getting sold, so that could, excuse me, get the serious pullback. So like I said, humongous day on the DAX. Let's see if the Dow can catch up. That's a little bit of a reversal bar there. This is what we could end up with on the DAX. Big push 2 days back, and spent the next following 2 days just moving sideways. So if we break the highs, then that could be up to 18,500. Let me update the fibs on that. Right, so the 127 extensions up there at 18.4, and a retest of 18,100 could see that moving up. Oil, I owe an apology to the member who called the short, and I spent one trade trying to buy this. Where was my entry? I tell you what I was doing. I was trying to see if that 15-minute range from the invents that saw a massive move to the upside would hold, and it failed. The strength of the dollar was too much for it. We had a hammer which actually closed inside the box, and we closed outside the box, and we looked as if we were going to hold it, and in the end we got a lower close. They pulled back and then dropped it quite hard. So what time was that? So 5:45 was the signal that they weren't going to hold it, and then down it came. Interesting that we got quite an aggressive bounce, quite a lot of, there's a huge drop. It's given us a big 1 hour hammer, so that is proving quite tough to trade. Let's look at the daily. At this rate, if the dollar continues its strength, I think we're going to come back to 45 at this rate. It's it's another, this area here, 51.20 was pivotal, that we'd slammed into it yesterday. It's pivotal because of that touch on the high on January 15, price action around the middle of Feb. I mean, it's not a great chart to pick at, really. I would just steer clear of oil for the moment, and RSI is just coming off the midline, so this could roll over, but like I said, I think the charts I most like are the euro and the US dollar yen, and there's no pound data tomorrow, so I'm just going to let the pound go for now. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to seeing you in the room. Ask for details if you haven't got them, and